Welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola. If you don't know me, I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So make sure to click that subscribe button, click the notification bell below, and follow me on my social media at FABIOLAGOFFICIal. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So Mother's Day is almost here. That's one of my favorite holidays, not only for myself because I am a mom of 3 and I love to celebrate Mother's Day, but also for my beautiful mom. So I decided to do this video and share with you some beautiful gift ideas for Mother's Day. And there's a little bit of everything. There's like jewelry, fragrances, you name it. So make sure to keep on watching, and I'll try to link everything that I mentioned in today's video down there below, as well as in my blog, FABIOLAG.com. So let's go ahead and get started. I wanted to share with you first some beautiful jewelry pieces that I recently got, and these are the most amazing pieces you will ever find. They do have exceptional quality. They are the brand Ana Luisa. I know I've mentioned them in the past. I absolutely love their jewelry. I should probably do like a jewelry collection video in the next weeks or so. But I do have 3 new pieces to share with you. So if you're not familiar with Ana Luisa, they do have beautiful designs. And I also have an amazing coupon code, which I'll link down below, for 15% off. And if you want to get something for Mother's Day, there's still time. That's why I wanted to do the video a little bit earlier, so that way you have enough time for shipping and to be able to like receive your items. But I am loving these so much. I got 3 pieces. So Ana Luisa has really good quality jewelry. They're very, very long lasting. And what I mean by long lasting, like I literally have pieces from more than a year ago and they look beautiful. Like they still look shiny. They still have the same color. So it's a really good quality, and they are backed up with 365-day guarantee. So you can be sure you're getting exceptional quality items. So the first thing I want to show you are these beautiful earrings. Like, look how gorgeous these are. These are a moon and a star, and they're like little hoops. They have rhinestones. One of my favorite kind of earrings are like the hoop earrings that have little dangling things under them. I think they're beautiful. So the next thing I want to show you is this one here, and they all come packaged individually in their own little pouch. So these are great for gifts, really good gift ideas. So I ended up getting a bracelet, and this one here is so beautiful. So this one here is a braided bracelet. It's gorgeous, and then at the end it has a little tiny heart that dangles down. And I got this because I do have a necklace that has a heart, also from Ana Luisa. I got it so that it could match. But look how beautiful this is. It's so dainty, but it's also like very luxurious. And that's what I like about their jewelry, is that it's all very luxurious. And then the last thing I got from Ana Luisa are some earrings to go with my bracelet, the one with a little heart. These are little heart earrings, and they also have like a little hoop to them. But look how stunning these are. Absolutely beautiful. Like every piece on their website is gorgeous. I couldn't really decide which one to get. Love their quality. Like I said, they don't lose color, they don't tarnish. They last a very, very long time, so I definitely recommend them. Make sure to check out their website. I'll link their website down below. I used my code so that way you get 15% off. But this is a really awesome gift idea for Mother's Day. So the next thing I want to show you are some adorable teddy bears. I love these so much. I actually have 2 of my own, and I recently got one for my mom. So hopefully she's not watching this video, because I'm just going to know what I got her. So cross my fingers she's not watching today. But I have these beautiful bears. This one here is a pearl bear. Look how pretty this is. Like I love this one so much. And it has like a little bow. Absolutely adorable. I got this from Lififi Lovely Gifts. She has the most gorgeous teddy bears ever. They do come in like pearls and also in flowers, which is this one right here. And it smells so delicious. She also sells like the little spray, so you can spray them when the scent goes away. But how cute is this? Isn't it so adorable? Like I'm loving my little bear so much. So I recently got one for my mom, and I got a yellow one. I haven't even taken it out of the package because I'm going to gift it to her the way it is. But look how pretty this is. She loves yellow. That's why I got it in yellow. It has like a rose here, and then it has little butterfly wings in the back. Like, how cute is this? I think this is the most beautiful Mother's Day gift ever. She does have like different kinds, and even for like birthdays, anniversaries, everything. So I'll link her website down below. She's so sweet, and she has the cutest bears ever. So it's Le Fifi Lovely Gifts. Check the link down below. I think those are incredible gift ideas. So if you love jewelry, or your mom loves jewelry, then one of these would be a great gift idea, along with a pair of earrings from like Ana Luisa. I think this is like the most incredible gift ever. It's a acrylic earring organizer. You can fit so many pairs. It's very affordable. I got it from Amazon. I'll link it down below, but this is like such a good idea. Like one of these organizers and then a beautiful pair of earrings from Ana Luisa. I think it would make your mom happy or yourself happy. So definitely check it out. I think this is really pretty, and it looks really nice just kind of displayed in the back. So for the handbag lovers, who doesn't love handbags? I totally recommend a handbag. This one is a Coach handbag, and it's one of the newest ones that came out from the Disney collection. It's the most beautiful bag ever. I'm so glad I got this, and a lot of friends have actually gotten this bag because it's so cute. It's small, but it fits so much. I also got a little teddy bear keychain to go with it, but it's beautiful. It's like the perfect shade of light pink. It does come with a strap so that you can use it as a crossbody, but honestly I just use it like this because I think it looks so cute and so luxurious. I'll link my exact handbag down below, but it is the new one from Coach. I don't know, but I've been loving Coach so much lately. Like, I'm so hooked on their brand. I think it's like really luxurious, and not a lot of people get Coach anymore. They kind of tend to go for like Michael Kors or Kate Spade, but I think Coach is a brand that is never going to go out of style, and they're coming out with really beautiful designs. So this is another great gift idea. Okay, let's talk about perfume. I think one of the best gift ideas to give is a perfume, because everybody loves perfume. And I have 3 of them that are my favorite that I would totally recommend. The first one is this one from Coach, which I recently got. It's the Coach Dreams. It comes beautifully packaged in a glittery pink box, and look at the design. It's so cute. It's pink and it has like a little flower. So this would be like an amazing gift idea. And then I have 2 of my Chanel perfumes that I love to death. I'm like loving these so much. I have the Chanel Chance or Chance. This one is like a very nice, light, almost like a floral, fresh scent. It's perfect. If you don't like anything too strong, you would definitely love this one here. It's definitely very light, very refreshing for every day. Now, if you like something more stronger, more like sexier for like a night out, then I would totally recommend this one, the Chanel Mademoiselle, the Coco Mademoiselle. This is my favorite. Like, I love this to death, and I would recommend this to anybody. And both of these, actually all 3 of them, a couple of sprays does it all. You don't have to like respray. So I'll link these below, but these are my holy grail from Chanel. Absolutely love them. So when it comes to flowers, I really don't like them, and I always say that to my kids or my husband. I'm like, I really don't like flowers because they die. Like, they only last me a day or 2 and then they're dead, and there goes my flowers, and they're very expensive. But these here are flowers that are preserved flowers, and they last for more than a year, and they're from Venus et Fleur. Look how beautiful these are. They come in a box. You can choose different boxes. They also have like velour ones that are like more luxurious. But I got these here in the white box, and these are pink. My bedroom literally smells like roses, like fresh roses. And I've had these for a few months. They still look incredible. They look very, very fresh, but they are preserved. They even feel like very soft. So I'm definitely loving these. I think these are like the most incredible gift idea ever. It's something that's gonna last that special someone for a very long time. So definitely recommend these. And they also come in different sizes. So they do have like the bigger ones. I mean, the bigger you go, the more money they are, but I think these are really nice to have. I also have this one here in this lighter shade of like peach pink, which are also very beautiful, but all of their boxes are beautiful. So this is something that I would definitely recommend, definitely worth getting and investing on. So next we have a jewelry organizer or jewelry box. This is a wonderful gift idea. It's beautiful, it's very luxurious, and who would not love a little box like this? Look how cute this is. This is from the brand Blando, and these are actually stackables. You can purchase them either separately or as a set. I did get two, so they are like stackables, and you can just, you know, add your jewelry in there. But I love this one here in particular because it has a glass top, which makes it look really, really pretty and very luxurious. And then this here is like a leather, like a faux leather box, which is absolutely gorgeous. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you loved it, found this video helpful, and hopefully gave you some ideas for Mother's Day. So I really hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I love you all so much. I'll see you all next time. Bye.